By 2030, your job might not be a job anymore. It could be a stack of skills. Want to know which skills will make you future-proof?
AI, automation, and a connected world will reshape work. Not every skill dies, some get amplified. Here are 5 skill sets employers will crave.
First, complex problem solving.
Machines optimize, humans solve messy, ambiguous problems.
Second, creativity and design thinking.
Creativity becomes your superpower, designing experiences, not just products.
Third, digital literacy and AI fluency.
Understand AI tools, prompt confidently, and adapt to new platforms.
Fourth, emotional intelligence and collaboration.
Teams are global. Empathy, communication, and leadership win.
Adaptability and lifelong learning.
The half-life of skills is shrinking. Learn fast, unlearn faster.
So, solve hard problems, stay creative, get AI literate, lead with empathy, and keep learning. Practical step. Pick one micro skill this month. Build it for 30 days.
Want a 30-day micro-skill checklist? Hit like, subscribe, and I'll drop it in the next video.
Don't stop here. Explore the channel and discover more.